Hi, my name's Eamon, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a photo gallery to a page on the Symphony3 WhiteLabel. To add a photo gallery, go to Content and select Edit on your desired page. Click the Add Paragraph button in the lower left corner and select the photo gallery paragraph type. Click on the Browse button to search your local computer files for the images you wish to add to the gallery. There is a 2 MB size limit to uploads. When adding an image, you will need to add alternative text for accessibility, describing the content of the image. Finally, you can crop the image so that it fits within the dimension constraints of the photo gallery. Repeat the process again to add more images. You can view your changes before saving using the preview button at the top right. And always remember to save your changes before you finish. That's a brief overview of how to add a photo gallery to a page. I'll see you in the next video.